Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2025. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, Capricorn, what's up? Third house, communication. Pwedeng meron kayong short distance travel or meron kayong mga importanteng kakausapin ngayong June. Or meron kayong mga collaboration, working with others. Mas lalabas kayo ngayon or makikisalamuha sa iba. You will also focus on improving yourself. Yes, Capricorn, with the energy ng Pluto. Pwedeng iba sa inyo magpapagupit ng buhok. Or meron kayong ayusin sa inyong hairstyle, sa physical appearance ninyo. I feel like there's going to be a major glow up for you, Capricorn. If yun yung gusto nyong baguhin. But some of you naman, it's from within. Like, for example, yung inyong perspective sa buhay. Pwede rin meron kang i-improve sa knowledge mo, sa skill set mo, mag-upskill ka, may aaralin kang bago. Kasi third house is also about learning. So, meron kang interest, bagong interest ngayon na gusto mong malaman kung paano mo ma-master yung craft na yan or ma-master yung skills na yan. Let's see what else. Kung meron kayo naririnig na sumisigaw sa background, yan yung aking bunsong anak na kapag na-excite siya sa kanyang pinapanood sa TV, siya ay nagsisisigaw. Okay, what else? So, Pluto is in Aquarius right now. So, if you are a Capricorn rising, this is related to your finances. So, maaring merong nagbabago or magbabago sa sources of income ninyo, Capricorn. Pwedeng may matatanggal na source of income, tapos may papalit. For example, from business to pagbe-business, tapos mag-corporate ka ulit, or from corporate to business, or may idadagdag kang source of income. Let's see what else for Caps. You have the Seven of Wands, the Champion of Cups. So, some of you, Capricorn, medyo ilag pagdating sa relationship. If you're single, no? Hindi yun yung priorities mo. Gusto mo mag-focus muna sa sarili mo. Although merong nagkakaroon ng interest or may potential romantic relationship, but it seems na you're not interested. Yes, because hindi ka ganun kadali na magtiwala. You have the Eight of Swords. Nako. Two of Pentacles. The Chariot. Okay. Some of you, Capricorn, if you are already in a relationship, pay attention sa inyong partner. Kasi pwedeng merong mga bagay na itinatago to sa'yo na kailangan mong malaman. Kasi concerned sa'yo yung bagay na yon. Pwede tong, merong third party situation, pwede namang pera na hindi pinapaalam sa'yo. Oo, things like that. I also see here na kasi itong Eight of Swords energy it's like a mental prison, no? So, ibig sabihin yan, marami kang in-overthink sa bagay-bagay sa buhay mo. Na yun yung nagiging balakid or parang limitations mo of stepping into your own power. Pwede itong judgment ng ibang tao, shame, guilt, whatever this is, na hindi naman talaga nag-e-exist. For example, you want to, gusto mo kausapin yung boss mo, na gusto mong, i-reassess yung work mo, gusto mong alamin kung meron bang promotion for you. So, kung nasa isip mo lang yan, hindi mo gagawin, you will never know. Okay? So, it's time to take action. Do something for your plans, for your goals, for your dreams. And, you will, there is success kapag nag-take ka ng action. Pero kung nakatuwa ka lang, wala kang ginagawa, hindi yun magmamaterialize para sa'yo. The Two of Pentacles is also weighing your options. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin na wala kang choice, no? Ibig sabihin nito, maraming choices. Kailangan mo lang pumili. And kung meron kang mga kailangang pagsabay-sabayin, trabaho, work, career, relationships, kaya mo naman gawin, no? Para lang mapanindigan mo yung mga responsibilities na meron ka. With the Chariot, I see travel opportunities for you ngayong June. Ace of Cups. Oh, okay. Yung iba rin, pwedeng meron kayong successful na sisimulan. Yung parang mabilis mong makikita yung resulta nung sinimulan mo. This can be a business, this can be a project sa trabaho mo, or whatever this is, pwede rin sa source of income mo. Na halimbawa, let's say affiliate marketing, nagsimula ka ng affiliate marketing at trinabaho mo talaga, and you will see the results right away. Ganon. The Ace of Cups, this is a new beginning, a new source of happiness. So, maaring may magpapasaya sa'yo. Ano ba nagpapasaya sa mga Capricorn? Stability, finances, anything that you feel na magbibigay sa'yo ng security. Some of you, meron energy rito ng past na maaring mabibring up. This can be an issue. Pwedeng ilalabas ulit to para pag-usapan, ayusin. Okay? And then, yung iba sa inyo, mas gusto nyo na mag-isa kayo. Yung tipong walang nakikialam sa mga trip nyo sa buhay. Also, I see abundance as well sa inyo. May mga resulta yung mga in-effortan nyo. So, ito ay simbolo ng bunga, no, ng inyong pinaghirapan. So, syempre, kailangan gagawa ka muna ng action para makita mo yung resulta. Magtatanim ka muna para makita mo yung bunga. Ganon. So, maari ring merong mga bagay na gugulo sa isip mo, especially in relationships, no? So, I don't know kung ano to, nagugulo sa isip mo na yan, but importante rin kasi kung ano yung priorities mo at totoong nararamdaman mo. Para hindi magulo. Oo, merong losses. Okay. So, I feel like, meron kang gustong mangyari sa buhay mo na hindi sa'yo ibibigay kasi hindi yon yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Or eventually, hindi yun makakabuti sa'yo. So, isipin nyo na lang, it's a protection sa inyo, kaya hindi yun natuloy. Hindi nyo nakuha. Money will be coming to you. So, in any way, shape, or form, may kaperahan na darating. Someone going out of your life or end of a situation. Okay. So, Capricorn, para lang to sa mga merong mahal sa buhay na, alam niyo yung parang nasa late stages na sila ng buhay nila na maaring around June, no, may mangyari. Okay? Of course, we don't want that, but yun yung nasa-sense ko rito. Kasi may, sorrow over a loss, tapos merong someone going out of your life. But, this can also mean na, relationships or someone na merong matatapos na relationship. Ganyan. Okay? Let's see, ano pa? Anxiety isn't trying to limit you, but free you from situation that no longer feels good. So, may mga bagay na hindi ka na komportable. Lalo na kung sa trabaho to or sa situation, relationship. So, it only means na kailangan mo nang palayain yung sarili mo dyan. Okay? Para mas gumaan at gumanda yung pakiramdam mo. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.